Welcome to Shelly's Cooking Show. So what we're going to do today is a Toffee Belgian Waffle sandwich. Let's see what I can mix up today. So what you're going to need is flour. That's 2 cups of flour. And you have a half a teaspoon of baking soda. And you have your water. And your measuring cup is a half a cup. So you want to do 2 parts and a half a cup. So you'll take your flour mixture. So we're going to make it Belgian waffle mixture. And then you'll take your half a cup of water. Pour it in like so. Just give it a good stir and give it a good mix. And pancake batter and flour batter, or should we say Belgian waffle batter, is supposed to be lumpy. It's supposed to be lumpy. It's okay if it's lumpy. You want to stir it and stir it and stir it and get most of the lumps out. You can make it thick or thin. I like mine a little thin. I don't like it too thick. So that makes it lighter and airier and fluffier. So we'll let that sit for a moment. You'll get your waffle iron. You'll spray it with cooking spray in a circular motion. Stir up your batter a little bit more. Like that. You know, it's a good idea. I think we might put a little cinnamon in it. That would be nice. There's a little sprinkle of cinnamon. Mix that up in there. That'll give it a nice taste. And cinnamon is such a wonderful fragrant spice to use for a variety of recipes. Cinnamon is also an antioxidant too. That's good for your body. Okay, now we'll take the mix and pour it gently and slowly into the waffle maker. Just like that. There we go. And we're going to add the toffee. Just sprinkle it right in a circular motion. So about 1/4 cup. And we'll let that cook. So we're going to turn this into a sandwich. So what we'll do is we'll take an egg. Put your cooking spray in. Take your white large egg. Crack it like so. Just like that. Discard your shell. And we'll use a little pepper. Pop the yolk. Use a little pepper. We'll opt out of salt. And see, it only takes like 1.5 minutes on each side to get your fried egg. It's cooking nicely, cooking gently. Egg is a good protein source for you. They're really good for you. I call them feel-good food. I love eggs. So I have it on number 6 on the stove. While that's cooking, we'll go ahead and clean up. So you clean as you go. Discard that. Okay, at this time, the egg is now ready to flip. We'll give it about 10 more seconds before we flip it. Then that way it'll be absolutely perfect to flip over. Getting cooked evenly on both sides. So see, I have my other ingredients ready. Well, we're not going to use that egg. So we have a slice of American cheese and we have our candied bacon. And you know the candied bacon is made with brown sugar. You put it in the oven, the temperature of 330, and let it cook for like 10 minutes. Comes out delicious, crispy, and flavorful. And as we talked before, the bacon comes from the belly part of the pig. We'll go ahead and flip the egg, just like that. See, it's browning. We'll season the other side of the egg as well. With a little pepper. And see the steam from the waffle maker? You know it's cooking. It's browning. It's in the cooking process. So that steam lets you know the waffle maker is doing its thing. Okay? The egg is coming along nicely, absolutely nicely. So what we're gonna do, we'll just slide this over, the candied bacon, and we're gonna take the egg out and let the egg rest for a moment once it's completely cooked. See how quick that egg cooked? No time, a fried egg. Brown on both sides. Turn the stove off. You want to sure you turn the stove off. Take the egg out, just like that. Wow. Perfect. And then after the waffle comes out, we'll let the waffle rest for like a moment, and then we'll build our sandwich with our candied bacon, our fried egg, and some cheese. Okay, let's see if the Belgian toffee waffle is ready. Ooh, look at that. That is beautiful. Okay, we'll take it out. See how easy it comes out? Just like so. So that's the caramelization of the toffee that's on top. So what we'll do is we'll cut it in the pre-cut line, just like that. Easy breezy. So you let it sit for one moment, just to let it rest. And then we'll take our egg, assemble it like so. Candied bacon, assemble it like so. And let's do a half portion of cheese, shall we? If it falls apart like that, it's okay because it's soft, because I had it out for room temperature purposes. Okay. Then you take your other half of your waffle corner and place it on top. Now you can choose to eat these two portions if you like with maple syrup, made from Vermont, maple syrup. That way you stay away from corn fructose, so you want to use original maple syrup. So here's our sandwich all assembled. That looks fantastic. Not to mention the toffee smell. It smells good along with the combination of the cinnamon. Let's have a taste, shall we? This is a star sandwich right there. Absolutely delicious. So that's your Toffee Belgian candied bacon, cheese, and egg sandwich. Delicious. Well, you know, as always, remember, life is sweet and savory.
It's time for Shelly Sweet and Savory.